Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends. I am Vanessa Peter, and in today's video is all about the recipe mini album. Yay! Recipe album number 2. If you remember right, I done recipe album number 1, and so this one is number 2. Okay. Now, first off, I will be teaching this right here on YouTube. It starts Sunday night, this Sunday night, September the 27th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay? So, Sunday night, this Sunday night at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. I will be live streaming this to my Facebook group, and I will be streaming it live right here on YouTube. I will be doing this album from start to finish, and we will construct the album together. And if you guys would like the decorating aspect of this, I would be more than happy to live stream that to YouTube for you guys. So just let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see me decorate this folio. I would be more than happy to live stream that with you guys too. But for sure, I will be doing the construction of this folio. Well, I'm not constructing in a folio, I'm constructing the chipboard aspect of this folio. This recipe mini album has 2 different ways that you can make it. You can make it a folio, or you will be able to make it as a chipboard album, which I will be showing you how to make. Plus, if you purchase the tutorial, so you can have the cutting guide, sitting right beside you, you can. I will also include the cutting guide for recipe album number 1 and the process videos that go along with it. So when you purchase this tutorial, you'll get 3 different albums that you can make from this tutorial. Right now I do have it on sale. It's regular $18.99. I have it on sale right now for $7.50, just while we make this album. So if you want to go pick it up, go to scrappinitup.com with no G. I will put the link down below for you to where you can go pick up this tutorial. Okay, and I will be decorating this with the beautiful, I'll just show you the sticker sheet, the beautiful Simple Stories paper apron strings. That is the collection that I'm going to be using to decorate this. Okay, so if you would like to see the decorating aspect of this album, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this album. And I will be using the 6x8 paper pad, the journaling bits and pieces. We will be making our own recipe cards from washi tape, enamel dots, from the paper, the stickers. And then I also am doing a little booklet that's going to go with this album too, that I use pocket pages with. Okay. So when I start Monday night, I'm going to do Monday night, Tuesday night, and Sunday night, Monday night, and Tuesday night. 3 nights in a row. I will come on at 7 o'clock. We will work on the construction of the chipboard mini album. If you want the folio, you'll have to get the tutorial off my website. Like I said, it is $7.50. So you can go pick that up. All right, are you guys ready for some goodness? All right, let's dig into this. So it is a gatefold folio, and it will be a gatefold chipboard album too. Okay, so I used Craft Tex for the spine. Okay, and then we have another kind of like gusset spine that I just used my craft cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And this opens, and this opens, and this is going to be hard to keep on camera, but I will really try. The right side and the left side mirror each other, okay? So you flip, and let me find, this is the only thing I have right now, so we'll use it. You have a pocket and a pocket. These flip open, okay? And then let me slide it a little bit more. And then you have a belly band on the back side. And then we have a little place here that we're going to be doing my, oh gosh, now I forgot already. My, oh, I've done it in several albums where you just piece it together with, you know, bits and pieces of your paper, scrapping pages. Maybe that's what I should just call them, scrapping pages. That way I would remember. Patchwork pages. Patchwork pages. I've done several albums now that have this that I call patchwork pages. You put it together just like a quilt. It's awesome, and it's just something different to use up your scraps that you have left over from a collection. You have a pocket here. Alright. And this just flips shut. And this side here is exactly the same, okay? So let's investigate the middle. All right. So you have a pocket here and a pocket here. And then that flips down and you have a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here. I'm guessing that this thing is going to hold over 100 recipe cards. I'm sure that it will hold 100. I'm almost positive it will hold over 100 recipe cards and photos, okay? Now, I haven't done anything to here yet. That will come when I do the live class, when we construct it. I may come up with something. I'm not for sure. But yeah, this is going to be so much fun teaching you guys how to make this. I mean, this album is going to be awesome. It's going to be a lot of fun. And I will have a margarita with me. We are going to scrap and have a margarita. So I hope you guys will join me on that when we do that. And we have some more. I have some more to show you. So that's just the center part of this. Okay, that was just the center part. We still have the right side and left side to go yet. But I hope you guys will join me in making this. I will be giving out the measurements during class. I will not spend a whole lot of time on the measurements. So if you would like the measurements right beside you, you can purchase this tutorial right now for, like I said, $7.50. You can't beat it to make, you know, get 3 albums with 1 tutorial, guys. Okay. And then this flips open. Oops, I gotta get on camera. Sorry. And before I forget, I do have my tutorial club that is open right now. That is access to all my tutorials. I have over 70 of them in there. Go to my website. Again, I'll put the link down below for you where you can go check it out. And right now it's at a low price. I'm going to be moving it over to a new platform. So what you pay now, you'll be locked in at that price. And after I move it over to my new platform, I can guarantee you it's going to go up. But you have a pocket here. So if you're interested in the tutorial club, go check it out, guys. It's well worth it. And you'll find out when we do this recipe album, we'll probably be talking more about the tutorial club. And you'll hear members that are in it. And they will probably tell you how much they like it. Or love it. But then we have a pocket here. This album is just full of pockets, guys. And this third pocket goes all the way down. All the way down. So you have 3 pockets here. Okay. Then guess what? You have a pocket here. Let me open it up. And you have a pocket here. And you have another pocket here. And then you have two pockets here. Excuse me. And this little booklet that we're going to be making, I'm sorry guys. The little pocket that we're going to be making here, or booklet, holds pocket pages. And let me show you what that is. I done it in my first recipe album, and I'm doing it again because I really love it. It's pocket pages from Simple Stories, and I think they're 7.5, or maybe I better measure before I misspeak. 7 by 8.5. Yes, 7 by 8.5, guys. Okay. But yeah, you use these, and we're gonna make 4 of these little booklets to go on our album. So they open up, and then you have a flap right here, and we'll probably do some more in here. But for right now, this is just pretty basic. But these little booklets fit inside our recipe album. Now ain't that sweet, guys? And then I made you a little pocket down here that you can stick stuff in. So yeah, I mean, this is a wonderful, wonderful folio. Now remember, I will be teaching the chipboard one, okay, and it will be just like this one. And if you want to purchase the tutorial, and the other side over here is just like it. Okay, this side here mirrors this side. So it's the same thing, guys. Okay. So if you want to purchase the tutorial, you can. You get 3 albums. You get the folio, the chipboard, and then my #1 recipe album that I done several years ago. Okay. And I will be giving out the measurements during the class. So if you want to watch and write the measurements down, you can, you know, rewatch it later on and write the measurements down. But if you would like the tutorial, it's $7.50, guys, and you can have it right beside you while we're working. Like I said, I will be doing this, how to construct this from start to finish. It won't be the folio because the girls all wanted me to do a chipboard one, so I'm going to be constructing the chipboard one during the live classes, okay? And if you guys want the live classes on the decorating aspect, I'd be more than willing to live stream those to YouTube as well as Facebook, guys, because I know a lot of you do not do Facebook, okay? So I want to give you guys this opportunity as well as my Facebook people, because I want everyone to make this album. It's fantastic. So I will be using the washi tape. I have one more. Oh, there it is. Washi tape, the 6x8 paper pad, the journaling bits and pieces, and the enamel dots, sticker sheet, and all the beautiful paper of the Apron Strings collection by Simple Stories, guys. Okay. Now, I did have kits. I am sold out of the kits right now. If some of you would like to order the kits, please put a comment down below. I can always restock and get more in. I won't be able to get more in before, you know, we have the class. But if you would like some of these kits, I'd be more than willing to do that. But that's what I'm going to be decorating my album with. Okay, guys? So mark it on your calendars. This Sunday night, 7:00 p.m. Central Standard Time, I will be live streaming this to YouTube and Facebook. So yeah, and I will put yeah, because I got 22 sheets of paper and the enamel dots, you know, and the journaling bits and pieces. So if you can find 22 sheets of paper that you want to use, I will tell you, you're probably going to use a full pack of paper, 25 sheets, okay, to construct this. And you're going to need chipboard and tie-vac and glue, okay. So that's basically all of it in a nutshell. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I will answer you just as soon as I see your comment. So yeah, don't be afraid to comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this. If you want the decorating class, I'd be more than happy to do that. So, okay, that's it, guys. I hope I see you Sunday night. I hope you comment and let me know what you guys think about this. Okay, as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.